G'day and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fill up the coolant on a John Deere 1025R. First thing you're going to want to do is come over to this little guy at the front of the tractor and open it up. You can use a screwdriver or you can also use your key. You can open it up and get into the engine bay. Over here is the coolant, and because the cap was left a bit loose, you can see that it's quite low. So it's supposed to be up to this cool line up here, and it's all the way down here, so I'm going to fill it back up again. This tractor has two lines, so it has a full cold and a full hot, and right now it's down here, so I want to bring it back up to this level. So to do that, you can take the cap off the top, and then check your owner's manual for the right coolant and add some in. Try to avoid spilling this stuff when you're topping it up because it is bad for animals and it can sort of damage the paint and that sort of thing, so best to try to keep it all in. Want a little bit more. Great, back to the correct level, job done.